This is Redstone Fox, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this super easy 4x4 vault door. So, to build it, you'll need a 12 by 3 area, which looks like this. And you also need 20 blocks for redstone stuff to go on, 20 sticky pistons, 8 normal pistons, 24 redstone torches, 4 target blocks, 1 lever, and actually you won't need that. You will also need 4 slime blocks, 20 redstone dust, and 2 pieces of obsidian, or any other immovable object that redstone can be placed on. Also, 4 other immovable objects, which you will be able to see from the outside. So it's not quite seamless, but as long as you can use a block that can be hidden well enough, it works fine. So let's get started. So to start off, we need to find the middle. So to start off, we will start with 6 blocks in the middle here, just like that, and on the middle 4 on each side, put a redstone torch. Now what we will do is put redstone dust along each of these blocks and a sticky piston above each redstone torch. Just like that. So the way this design works, the door is on, and I guess closed, I should have said. It's closed by default, so while building this, I recommend having the lever here first and powering it. It'll make things a lot easier. So, yeah, so from here, what we will do is put a redstone torch there, and mirror that on the other side as well. This design is completely symmetrical in both this way and that way. Anyway, so you're going to have redstone torches like that. Above this redstone torch and the one on the other side, you need to put those 2 immovable blocks that can have redstone stuff placed on them, I guess. Because you don't really need that, it just needs to be something that isn't a transparent object, because we will have a piston getting powered from those blocks when the door is closed. It's very important. Anyway, from here we will have another block like that with redstone torch on the back. We'll mirror that over here, and then above that we'll do the same sort of thing, except the redstone torches will go here, here, and here. Do the same thing on this side. Now, from here, what we will do is place our sticky pistons and our normal pistons. And then we'll have our slime blocks and our other blocks for the outside of the door. Like that. You don't place those there. That's going to make it break the first time you open it. Or, actually, no, it won't, but just keep it that way. It'll keep it from destroying itself when you put some other blocks here. So this and this here, and those 2 redstone torches there, with a block in between them. And do that on this side as well. So with the slime block here, it actually works sort of the way a double piston extender would work, but not quite the same. So I'll show you what I mean. So when the door is closed, so the floor would be here, and when you power the door, you may have seen it, but the two pistons here have the slime blocks in front of them, but when you unpower the whole thing, the pistons, so this piston is the only one getting powered, as there's no way that for the bottom piston to be powered at that time. So it gets pushed forward with the slime blocks, since it's not powered it's not powered, and then it reaches right here where it is powered. And it's pretty much the opposite when the door is closed. Anyway, from here what we can do is get our other immovable objects for when they are visible and put them here and here, and also here and there. Break those. Those ones don't need to be there. I just wanted them there, as I feel like these are hidden a little better when that's the side that's shown. So yeah, we don't need those anymore. So here we can just have these blocks on the sides just to fill in the rest of the frame. And put them on the sides here, here, and here. Now, what we're going to do is put a block above the two redstone torches here, and actually no, you're not going to do that. You're going to put redstone dust here and some slabs here. Along with another one there. Put redstone dust on top of all that. I'm going to do the same thing here. Now, before I continue, I'm going to actually finish the frame, as it's easier to show this all that way. That and here. Now we can put in the rest of our pistons. So I want them all facing down. I'm going to do this on both sides of the door. So I should mention, if you're going to be building this door and you don't need it to have the outer layer blocks, so all of these, if you don't need that on both sides, you don't need to build anything past right here. So this entire layer, you wouldn't need to build. But the full design here I have is for making it double-sided, but it doesn't have to be double-sided to function. I thought that's something I should probably mention. Finish the piston layout. And here we are. So from here, we just want to again connect the slabs. If you're wondering why it needs to be slabs there, it's because Java Edition is weird, and because of quasi-connectivity, this redstone line messes with the pistons there, and it kind of just doesn't work. I can show you what I mean. Like that, and so the door opens completely fine, but that's odd. While I was actually making this design, it didn't work that way. Could be, maybe it was locational. So I would just recommend putting these here, because I know it didn't really show it there, but it did happen a lot in my testing world that I actually originally made this in, and it was really annoying. It'll work if I do it on this side. No. Well, maybe, since I did design it using the pre-release snapshot for 1.20.4, or 1.21.4, so maybe something changed within the last 24 hours, but I doubt that. It's probably just locational. Anyway, on each side of these pistons, you also want target blocks and your other blocks like that, just there. And then you can just put the redstone line and connect it like that. And that's actually everything. So now, if you were to that lever, now the door fully works. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I know I haven't made a video in a really long time, and I'm not really going to get into why. Nothing interesting, mainly just school stuff and some stress because of that. So, yeah, I'll hope to maybe get something out next month if I can, but no promises, because I do have some midterm exams then, so yeah. But if I can get something out, then I will. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, this is all I got today. So I guess I'll see you hopefully next month.